Yeah, welcome to Science Ghetto. And then today we want to look at the go-no-go gauge. The go-no-go gauge is an instrument that is used to test for cap fitment. So over here is a typical go-no-go gauge. Now, from the diagram over here, the HO pointing to these sides indicates the height of our closure. This over here indicates the inner plug, and then this over here, the E, indicates the thread diameter, and then the B indicates the internal diameter. So with our no-go gauge, we can see that it has the C, which is over here, the inner plug. So all this determines for the inner plug. The B determines for the internal diameter. The E determines the thread diameter. Then we have the U2, which is the external diameter of our closures. Then the HO indicates the height. So what happens is that you put your sample, which is the cap, through this portion. So we'll put our sample at the HO part, which indicates our height of our closure. Now it gives us a specific specification of the height that we are supposed to get. So the height is supposed to be around 13.9. So we'll get to realize that when we put it against to 13.90, it fits perfectly. Going back to 14, it is not able to go any longer. So this shows that with the height we are okay, and it easily tests for height. Now when we come to the external diameter, with the external diameter, we put our cap onto this portion of the no-go gauge, and then we slide it through. Once you are sliding through, you are going to feel how tight the cap is being held by these demarcations over here. So when it goes through 34.0, which is indicated here, 34.40 is supposed to be our desired external diameter. So once you get over here, you feel it exactly. But when it is riding through, this becomes a bit tighter, failing to slide through easily. Now when we come to the E, which is the thread diameter, this is exactly the required thread diameter that we are supposed to. So when we put a cap through a bit tight, and then it gets to here, it holds our closure very firmly. Very firmly. And once you know that it holds it very firmly, it's going to prevent our product that is being stored or is being protected by the closure from escaping or pouring out. So hold it very firmly, and we can see that this is the right specification, which is 30.30. Now when we come to the B, we slide it through. We know that exact what we have preferred is 31.25. So we move through, not fitting a bit, okay, but when we get here, it holds it very firmly, which is not loosened and which is not very tight. But you can see it holds it very firmly. So this is okay. Then when we come to our inner plug, now the inner plug is what we have over here, which is the diameter between this and this button over here. So it sits exactly into this depression, or this hole that is here. So the exact specification is 27.60. When you pass it through, this not able to hold, also not able to hold, also not able to hold, which means our sample is going to pour out, not able to hold. When we get here, it's fitting freely, and therefore indicating that it is okay. So you are welcome once again to Science Ghetto, and then today we look at the go no go gauge, which we have gotten to know that it is an instrument that is used to text easily for cap fitment and faster and more reliable. Thank you.